Huh?
You taking pictures? You need me to move?
Nah, man. She just took my car.
You just stole your car, huh?
Wow.
I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso.
I be all about my peso.
My chick on the other line, she keep on calling my phone, wondering when I'm gonna come home.
Shawty, I'm coming home.
I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso.
I be all about my peso.
All about that cake, man. I'm tryna get rich. Shout out to my niggas, they be all about the fix, nigga.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy MB Shawty, man, aka TuneChee, man, back at y'all again with another video. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Click that notification bell to click all y'all. Y'all see it, man. I'm out here zip-zapping through traffic in the BMW on this E-way, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, you know what I'm saying? Leave me comments. Y'all already know I respond back to everybody. Man, y'all been definitely motivating me, man, to keep pushing and keep grinding, man. Only way is up. Only way is up, y'all. So I definitely appreciate y'all, man. Right now, we about to pull a prank, y'all. Back up on that prank. Yes, sir. We about to pull a prank, y'all. I'm about to go pick up my kid's mom, and man, it's finna be an epic prank, y'all. So what I need y'all to do, like I said, man, smash that like button. If y'all seeing it, smash that like button, man, and make sure y'all watch the whole video, man, and let me know what y'all think about the video as you watching the video. I prefer that, but if you want to leave me comments afterwards, that's cool too. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm about to go pick up. All right, y'all. So look, we thought of the prank, right? So look, basically what we gonna do, y'all, trying to get the angles right. So yeah, what we gonna do, y'all, and just be calling her the B word, you know what I'm saying? So hey, make sure y'all watch this whole video, y'all, like the whole video. Like, I need y'all to watch the whole video. Like I said, it's motivate me, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all watch the whole video. She should be coming out any minute, so I need y'all to watch the whole video, y'all, and it's about to be lit. So I don't know if I'm gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna let her hold the camera. I don't know, she don't know about the prank, so it's finna be lit, y'all. I'm just be calling her a bitch for like beep beep whoop. Like, yeah, man, chilling with my bitch whole time, you know what I'm saying? I just want to see her reaction to all that, cause you know that's my kid's mom. She don't like the B word, so it's finna be hilarious, y'all. So that's why I want to do. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do that prank on her. What's good with it, y'all? Yeah, she just bought me something to eat at Culver's. Oh, they got it ready. Got me ready. All right, thank you. You too. Nigga like, that damn camera. Why you recording me? Cause we vlogging. Yeah, about to do this little mukbang. Let me see your hair. Show your hair on the camera. No, that's a whole different vlog. Let me see. Check you out. Hold on, cause I got the check you out.
Hold on, this what Mariana be doing. She's like,
like, check you out. Yeah, we about to smash this dang on food real quick. So tell the family how your day went today. Like, what, I mean, yeah, they wanna.
my
like,
day was
speak up.
interesting.
What you do?
I had a really interesting day. Cause when I woke up, I didn't remember what was going on, right? Cause I didn't know what was going on. I didn't remember going to sleep. I didn't remember going to sleep or none of that stuff, cause last night I had a little too many margaritas. Cause I got a blender. Cause I bought a blender. It was crazy.
You was drunk?
I was drunk.
She was drunk. You drinking Parmesan?
No. Ew.
Here, grab your stuff.
My ass is most definitely lit though. Look, that's cute, right?
You catch up?
Yeah, it's like a little different thing.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Different ketchup. You
She over there playing around. I'm hungry in the mud. She over there playing, talking about some ketchup. I'm trying to smash this hamburger. You over there looking at that girl booty?
Damn. Is that how my booty
She over there looking at that girl booty.
Everything but onions and tomatoes and extra pickles. I always get extra pickles because it's necessary. It gives the burger a little razzle dazzle. It's pretty good.
Yeah, talk up. Tell they can't hear you.
I said extra pickles.
Hell down. Yellow. No, I'm vlogging. Help. Show my. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. What you was saying though?
I wasn't saying nothing. I wasn't saying nothing at all.
You know what I'm saying though? What?
I don't know.
I'm sure what?
I don't know, cause I kind of think I just like.
Damn, I'm doing tire pressure and shit. What
I
the
kind of
fuck?
think I just like misheard you. So I kind of think I misheard
You misheard me.
you. Yeah. I mean, I was listening to you, like listening to your phone. I think I misheard you.
I can't hear what you say.
I said that. It's like I wasn't like all up in your business, but I was just listening. Like you, I kind of think you just like, did you just call me something?
Yeah, my.
Okay. So since when, like?
Cause when I start calling you that.
Yeah, like since when you start calling me that, like.
Shit. I've been calling you that.
To who?
For you?
To me?
Yeah. What?
Now look, I'm not the one that you be calling, well, that you supposed to be calling out their name. I'm not the one.
You ain't the one.
No, I'm not. I'm not the one. And I'm sure you know that. You need to say that shit for them. You feel me, little hoes that be at them damn car shows and shit. They be all up in your car and shit. You call them bitches, because that's what they is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So I can't call you my now?
You never called me that before. No. No. You don't call me that.
Damn. What you want me to call you?
Damn, you better call me Lord. Like,
I'm dead.
Lord. Call me Jesus. Start calling me that.
Alright, you my. That's what you is.
That's what I am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. What? You know, keep on playing with me.
I ain't do nothing. I just told you my.
You making my burger taste different. Like
The burger tastes different?
Yeah, you making my burger taste different. Now look, you won't stop calling me a bitch. Alright? Please and nicely, I'm asking. Don't call me that. And respect me a little bit more than that. Alright? You looking at your Lord?
Huh?
You looking at your Lord?
My Lord.
Yeah.
You my. What?
It was right there. Right there, baby.
You gonna hit me on camera? You don't do that.
I don't even know why you recording it.
Don't.
If you sitting there like, you know. Like, if anything, I hope you delete that shit, because that's crazy.
I'm deleting it.
He mad as hell. Yeah, you definitely gave me messed up though.
I can't upload it. Oh.
No, why would you upload? You said that calling me out my name like that, like.
Oh shit. I gotta get some gas and I gotta put some air in this tire. So that's my. I need you to do that for me. You gonna do that for me?
I am overdone over here. I cannot believe it. You really playing with me. Like, I don't know why you doing that.
I ain't playing with you.
But why are you steady calling me a
Oh, excuse me.
like, what if I was steady sitting there, like, saying, like, oh, yeah, I'm with my bitch. I'm with my
That's the thing. You my.
No way.
Like.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, man. We about to go pick the kids up.
Are you looking at me? You looking at
Dark
me?
glasses on and shit. Hey, you wanna drive?
Didn't I just say you to stop calling me that?
Shh. I'm just trying to see if you wanna drive. That's
But
all.
you, okay, I could drive, but you don't have to call me a bitch. You keep on calling me a bitch, and I keep asking you to stop calling me that.
Wow. You gonna drive or not?
I could drive, but you need to stop calling me a bitch for real.
Alright. You don't like these doors. I need to show them the car anyway. All the
Yeah,
new
we
subscribers, man. You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to do all this shit for videos.
So shout out to all the new subscribers. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all the whip real quick. Let me show y'all the whip real quick. She said she wasn't gonna hop over. She did it anyway. What's up, man? Wow.
You need me to move?
Huh?
You taking pictures? You need me to move?
Nah, man, she just took my car.
You just stole your car, huh?
Wow. Wow. I know you seen that, right? Wow.
That's your girlfriend, no?
No, that's my. Man, hold on. Let me go.
What's up, man?
Let me what you talking about? The hell? So y'all just watched this motherfucker just call me a like how many times? What you talking about? Cause he stay his ass right there. Should I leave his ass? I should leave his ass. Cause he is bogus as hell, y'all. Like, y'all just saw him sit up there and call me a bitch. He just called me a bitch like 20 times, and I'm supposed to just sit here and just keep on getting called a bitch. Like, the is you talking about? This ain't that. He just sat up there, just called me like 20 times. Look, looking stupid. But I'm the like, come on now.
What is you doing? What is you doing, bro?
Lock the door on his ass.
What is you doing? It ain't funny.
Look. Excuse you.
Open the door.
No, you need to get your camera out my face.
You said
Why
what?
you need to get your camera out my face.
No, bro.
Why you want to sit up here and keep on calling me a
No,
you need to go
bro.
on somewhere.
No, you got me messed up, man.
No, I should have kept this
Open
motherfucker.
the door. Open the
Look,
door,
I can't
man.
even try this.
Joe, this don't make no damn sense, Joe. Alright, y'all, man. Checking out with another video, man.
I bet you won't call me another.
You said what?
I bet you won't call me another.
Nah, hell
That's
no,
what I
ain't.
do know,
Nah,
yeah.
Nah,
Bet
I
your
ain't.
ass
I was
won't
just
call
playing.
me
It was just a prank.
Okay.
I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso. I be all about my peso. My chick on the other line, she keep on calling my phone, wondering when I'm gonna come home. Shawty, I'm coming home. I be all on the grind, so I ain't really got time. I be all about my peso. I be all about my peso. All about the cake, man. I'm tryna get rich. Shout out to my niggas, they be all about the figures, nigga.